Hi. The next model we're going to take a look at is called the area model. And to demonstrate how it's used, we're going to be multiplying decimals. Here we have a problem, 6 and 79 hundredths times 3 ones. To show this problem, we're going to be decomposing this first number. Decomposing is a term that your kids are going to be hearing a lot in our classes, and what it means is to do a problem by separating this out into expanded form. So first we have 3 on this side, and this first box is exclusively for 3 times 6 ones. So we're going to write 6 ones up here. And we're going to know that in this box is going to be the product for 3 times 6. And that's going to be 18 ones. Now, the next box is going to be the next place value over, and that's 7 tenths. So 7 tenths is written up here. We're going to multiply 7 tenths times 3. And our answer is 21 tenths. And finally, over this box, we write 9 and the place value, hundredths. And 3 times 9 hundredths is 27 hundredths. Now, the next step is to take these 3 parts, these 3 decomposed parts, and combine them. And the way we do that is by writing it out. 18 plus 21 tenths, which is the same as 2 and 1 tenth. And then 27 hundredths, which we write like this. Now, if we write this in a horizontal way, it can get a little confusing. So we're going to switch this. We're going to write it vertically so that we can better see how to do this problem by lining up our place values. So the first number, 18, will go on top. And we know that to the right of any whole number, invisible, right there, is a decimal point. And just to help us orient where these all go, I'm going to make that visible and show that there's no value in the decimal point, in the tens place. The next number, 2 and 1 tenth, will line up perfectly under the 18. The decimal goes right under the decimal. The tens place value goes under the tens place value. The next number, 27 hundredths, well, first thing I'm going to do is line up that decimal point directly under the decimal point above it. And then the 2 in the tens place is going to go under the 1 from this number. And then the 7 is going to go in the hundredths place. When I add those up, all I have in the hundredths place is this 7. That's going to drop right down. In the tenths place value, I have 1 plus 2, so I get 3 tenths. Decimal point drops down. 8 plus 2 is going to equal 10, so I have a 0 for the ones place, and I have 110, so I'm adding 1 in the tens place, so I have 2 tens. My final answer is 20 and 37 hundredths. So now let me show you how this translates into standard form, which is the standard way we do things. So we have 6.79, or 6 and 79 hundredths, multiplied by 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Now that's 3 times 9 hundredths. So this is 27 hundredths. There's our 27 hundredths. Next is 3 times 7 tenths. 3 times 7 tenths is 21 tenths plus 2 tenths. So I have 23 tenths. There's my 21 tenths. When I add them together, I have 3 tenths. 3 times 6 is 18. There's my 18 wholes plus 2. I have 20 wholes. 18 plus 2, 20 wholes.